Ija, butang lang na dire mong fruits. Oh.
No, you.
Yeah, oy, butang dire. Hi guys! We're eating breakfast today. And Westy just done crying. Kaya naputol muna yung vlog namin kanina. And look at his face, guys. Okay na yung mukha niya. Huh? Oh, what color is that? Color? Black. Yep. First tantrum for today. Oh no. Nilagyan ko ng fruits. Hindi naman niya kinain. Ewan ko kung kakainin ba to ni Waylon. Eat na, Waylon. Wala ba ka nag-eat, anak, way? Properly. Sabi niya, ayaw niya daw. Sinabihan na ako at first, hindi daw i-cut yung waffle niya. Okay. You want milk? Wesley or chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk.
Okay. Nagluto din ako ng ano guys. Anong tawag dyan ay? Bacon. Pero gusto naman nilang kumain. So pinakain ko na lang muna sila ng waffle. Bacon at saka waffle. Magsana yung kainin namin. Gusto naman nilang kumain ng waffle. Nag-una na... Naputo. So nag-una na lang sila og eat. Lipstick muna tayo. Dalawang lipstick na yung pinutol ni Waylon ay pag may makitang lipstick, nagle-lipstick din siya. Kasi yun yung nakita niya sa akin. Kaya ayun, naputol, nasira. Anong pangita na ko? Chocolate milk. Naubos ka agad ni Wesley ay. Good job, Wesley nga. Nag-wash ka hands. Yun yung iniyakan niya kasi sinabihan ko siya na pag may dirty sa kanyang kamay, wag niyang i-trapo dito sa kanyang clothes. So, ayan. Alam na niya yung gagawin niya. Nag-wash na siya ng hands na hindi ko sinabihan. Good job, Wesley. Good job. Very good man kaya na ay. Super pogi man na ay. Alam niyo guys, si Wesley, siya yung ano dito sa bahay. Like, lahat naman sila naglilinis sa kanilang laruan. Pero si Wesley, pagdating yan sa kwarto ko, pag may mga kalat dyan or kahit dito, and then, alam niya yung gagawin niya. Nagpupulot na yan siya ng mga laruan tapos ilagay niya sa basket ng mga laruan. Hindi ko na yan siya kailangan sabihan. Like last night, doon kami sa kwarto. Palagi niya naman niyang ginagawa yan. So last night, doon kami sa kwarto. Ang kalat ng mga laruan ni Waylon na pangluto-luto, ayan. Ayan yung salarin. So hindi ko na siya sinabihan. Natingala na lang ko. Awa siya kasi pinulot niya yung mga laruan at saka ilagay niya doon sa box ng mga laruan. So, thank you, Wesley, kasi alam na yung mga gagawin niya. Or kahit dito sa like mga clothes, pulutin na yan niya. Basta hindi lang talaga tupakin si Wesley, guys. Okay na okay siya. Mabait na bata. At saka lambing. Super lambing. Yan, palagi yan siya I love you so much, mommy. Yan yung words niya palagi. Ito din naman. Ay, kiss ko. I love you. Love you much. You want more? I have bacon. Okay, I'm making bacon. You can eat bacon. Gusto pa daw niya ng waffle, guys. Isa kanya, dalawa na. Tapos kawilon, isa. Naubusan na ng waffle. Ayan na yung Ayan na yung bacon natin. Pagod na. Nakabiha. Saan na? Eat na.
I break it.
Thank you. Do you like your chocolate milk?
Yes.
No, it's okay. I will eat later.
Why?
I want you to eat first, man. Eat sa. Thank you, though.
Mm,
Then the rest, I'll eat it.
after me, didn't eat it. I'm full. I didn't like it.
Don't. Highway. Wa pa man kanik-eat sa mga waffle good na human? Yeah.
Done.
What's that?
Oh, oh.
Ew. Did you fart? No. Huh? You like it? Okay, thank you. Yung mga bata guys, minsan, alam niyo na pag bata, magsasabi talaga yan sila ng, I don't like it. Yes, chocolate milk. So may mga food talaga yan sila magsasabi, I don't like it. You know. And yung ginagawa ko, sinasabihan ko yan sila na, don't say like that. Kasi, we have to be like thankful and grateful kung ano mang meron tayo, especially food. Kasi, palagi ko yan sila nire-remind na, palagi ko yan silang sinasabihan guys na magiging thankful and grateful for everything. Kasi madami ding mga bata and mga tao na walang food and then they will ask food sa mga tao para makakain. Excuse me. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa kanila. Pero hindi naman mali na. I know. Hindi naman mali na sinabi lang nila yung totoong na taste nila, di ba? And they're kids, so they will learn. So, yung ginagawa ko lang, yan talaga yung ginagawa ko palagi. Nire-remind sila na need to be thankful, grateful for everything kasi so in-examplean ko sila that time na pumunta kami somewhere, kaming apat. And then may isang babae na nagdala ng karatula like thank you, Wes. Thank you. That's good. So may babae nagdala ng karatula and then nilagay niya doon. Help, need money for my kids, for food for my kids. So, nag-stop by talaga ako doon sa babae. And then, kasi naluoy ko, especially about kids. So, murad yung gikumot akong dughan, guys. Na-hurt talaga ako kasi, especially sa mga bata. So, at the same time, nandoon sila sa likod ko, sa car ko. Nakita nila ba na ganun? So, nagbigay ako ng pera sa babae para pambili ng food. Konti lang yun, pero at least, you know, nagbigay tayo. Kasi yun lang din yung cash ko. So, yung ginawa ko sa kanila, sabi ko, oh, look at that. Hanggang ngayon, mareremember nila yung babae na yun. Look at her, oh. She asked money for everyone or like people because they don't have money to buy food for her kids. And they was like, okay, mommy. Kanang nailuoy daw kaayo ang kanang bae. Ano ba? So, kahit sa bahay kami nasa bahay kami, nag-uusap pa rin kami kasi naluoy daw sila sa girl. And then, ang para din sa akin, kawawa naman din yung mga bata. First time ko nagbigay talaga, especially nakita ko yung karatula na food for my kids. Na-hurt ko guys. Ma-hurt ko ka ng gikumot ang dughan. Kaya ayan sila. si William, hindi man yan sila nagre-reklamo about kuan. Pero alam nyo na, yung mga bata, pag ayaw ng taste sa mga ayaw nila sa pagkain kasi iba tayo ng taste, diba? Magsasabi talaga yan sila, I like it. So like I said, yun yung pinaparind ko sa kanila na maging thankful and grateful tayo. Kasi may rami tayong pagkain sa bahay. And yeah, okay naman din. It works naman din. Minsan yan, nagsabi si Wesley, sorry, mommy. Di na daw sasabihin. So, mao lang to guys, na-share ko lang. Kain tayo guys. Ito yung food ko. Gustong gusto ko talaga to na bread. Yung may raisins. Ito lang yung kakainin natin for breakfast. Buwas na po ko eh. Kuya William is here, guys. Hi! Hi, Kuya!
Hey. Ice cream?
Sure. How's school?
Good.
Ha? Nagunsa mo today?
We played.
Ha?
We,
What did you do? Nag-read ka today?
yeah.
Ha? Look at mommy ba?
No.
Nag-read ka today?
No, we didn't. We didn't read.
So what did you do today?
My friend is dying. Yeah, my friend is dying.
Busy and si Wesley. Uy.
Can I try for you?
I'm talking to you, William. Why you're not...
You need to say me.
What did you do?
We drawed.
Wesley? Wesley, that's not nice.
Mommy, we drawed.
When we're talking.
Mommy, we drawed. We drawed.
And then?
We did like 3 paragraphs.
Huh?
3 paragraphs.
3
A lot
pair?
of writing.
Wow. You know how to like fast? You're right fast now?
No.
Not really?
Yeah.
It's okay. You will know. Punita, saan na be? Tugno na? You're so guwapo ha. Tanawa na ko na yung outfit oh. Alam nyo guys, si William, gusto ko talaga yan siya manamit ng like limpyo. Ganahan ko siya na magdamit ng
Can I look in your car for my pen?
Huh?
Can I look in your car for my pen?
Clock?
No, my pen.
Asa man?
It's in the car.
Alright. Ayaw ko siyang pupunta sa school na hindi anong tawag dyan? Like tidy ba? Gusto ko talaga siya, like, gusto ko siya, limpyo siya tanawon. And presentable siya every time na magpunta siya sa school. Kaya, like, gusto ko siya magpolo kasi, siya tingnan, like, limpyo and then mag-pants or short. Ngayon, ting pants na siya kasi malamig na.
It was in Waylon's seat. He was on here.
Oh no! Waylon? Ha? Gitaguan? Ano mo? Kaya, like, every time nasa school siya, limpyo siya tanawon. Tapos yung buhok lang niya, kailangan na naman gupitan. Hindi na ako magbabayad ng $42 para sa gupit niya. Ako na yung maggupit. Si William kasi, kung tingnan din siya, like, like, himos. Ano siya Tagalog sa himos? Like, super cute niya ba? Kasi, tabaon na good siya. Like, brusko ka siya, grawas. Kaya, pag damitan mo din siya, nindot mo siya tanawon. So, anyway, guys, jacket to gani kay I don't have a BRA. So, may package pala ako galing Victoria's Secret. Ibibenta ko to siya sa Pinas. So, guys, i-message ako sa page ko and sa Facebook page. Facebook page and Facebook main account ko, Rachel. And sa Facebook page is Cade Family. So, sa mga nasa Pinas na interested mag-buy ng Victoria's Secret, please, i-message nyo ako. Kasi magbibinta tayo guys para may extra din tayong money. Pag next time makaipon-ipon ako, magbenta din ako ng mga bags, mga vitamins, at iba pang mga products galing US. Get down, get down. So, yung ginawa ko kagabi pala is, wait saan, guys, oh my goodness, Wilon. Hala ka, Wilon. Ayabo. So, yung ginawa ko pala kagabi is naggawa ako ng Facebook page ko na WW Authentic Brands from USA. So, yun yung ginawa ko para ihanda siya. Charot, ihanda. Murad siya na ipangkapit. Guys, para talagang may kapital. Wala pa tayong kapital. So, wala pa tayong, hindi pa ako mabibenta ng mga bags or pabango muna tayo. Para ito, pag mabenta ito, maruling siya. And then, pag may sweldo ako, mag-invest na naman ng gamit. Tapos, ibenta na naman sa Pinas. Hanggang sa lumago yung negosyo. Charot. In God's will. No? Manifesta. So, please support me. Kunti pa lang nung nabili ko guys kasi wala akong enough na kapital. But, okay lang yan. Ano lang tayo. Laban lang. Ano din to. Yun talaga yung dream ko mag-business mga ganito. Like mga products galing US. Tapos doon sa Pinas i-ship. Mahal to sa Watson at saka mahal to sa ibang store guys. Aabot to ng 1,000 or 1,300 each. Ang deliver lang today 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So may 11 pa tayo kasi yung in-order ko is siya. Yung in-order ko is 20 pieces muna. Yeah, and then after mag-order pa ako. Baka next year madami na pa yung stocks or wala pa kasi ako nakasildo. Mamaya na lang pa, may sweldo na tayo. Baka ngayon guys, mag-order ako kasi may first sahod tayo. Pero lang yun, 10 hours lang yun na sahod. Yun yung hour ko last week. Last week. Kala ko kasi, yung sisildoin ko is 22 hours. Yung suneldo sa akin, yun pala yung December 30 to December 30 and November 30 and December 1. So, 11 hours lang kasi part-time lang nga ako. So, at least meron tayong money, di ba? And for me, it's malaki na. And I'm so proud kasi pinaghirapan ko yun. So, baka bibili na naman ako ng 20 nito. So, magiging 40 na. So, marami-rami na. Tapos, bibili na naman tayo pag may sahod na naman next week. Hanggang maramihan na, tapos ibibenta natin sa Pinas. May Bath and Body Works din tayo na ibibenta. So, na lang, wait na lang, abang-abang na lang sa ipopost ko sa Facebook, guys. So, yun lang po. Yung iba, baka bukas pa yun. So, see ya! Yun lang, guys, and yeah, we'll continue vlogging later. Guys, i-open na lang natin muna to. Kahit wala pang Wala pa. Wala pa yung iba. Ito yung Bare Vanilla. Yung na-remember ko is anong tawag dun Love Spell. Bare Vanilla pa rin. Hello guys, so kakadating ko lang pala. Magluluto ako ng sinabawang baka, nilagang baka pala yung tawag. So, ito yung binili ko. Yes, they don't do that please. And pakuluan ko muna siya ng 1 oras guys bago ko ilunod yung mga sahog. Ayan. Masarap to guys, so pangsabaw talaga to. Nagugustuhan to ng mga bata. Spider-Man daw siya guys kasi he know how to climb daw sa wall.
I'm
Ah,
coming.
Spider Wesley boy.
Yes, hi.
You are a Spider Wesley? O dili sad ka
Mad.
maka-stop o
Of.
play.
What?
Maka-stop siya ka play karon og di ka mo kuan. Kagabi ko sana to ano nga lutuin. Look at that guys. Grabe katambok. Sarap-sarap na niya. So, lagyan natin siya ng tinidor para mabilis siyang lumambot. Ewan ko kung ako lang ang mag-ano nito. Pero, pag magluto ako ng nilagang baka, nilalagyan ko ng tinidor para mabilis lumambot. Or, wala kasi kaming ice. So, pag ice, madali lang din lumambot yung karne. Hey, stop fighting! So, wait tayo na lumambot yun. Tapos ilunod natin. Maghiwa muna tayo ng mga sahog. So, hindi ko pala na-share sa inyo. Kalimutan ko. So, kaninang hating gabi, dumating na yung sweldo ko. So, it's supposed to be like first sweldo. But, yung 2 hours na orientation, may sweldo ako that time. So, nakatanggap ako ng 35, I think. Yeah, 35 sa cheque. And then, ngayon, nakatanggap ako through deposit my bank nakatanggap ako galing sa aking bangko, nakatanggap ako ng sahod ko, and yay, I'm so happy kasi may sahod na tayo, like lahira jud, and then nakakagana mag-work. So in 2 days mag-work ako ng 16 hours, then sa susunod na week na naman mag-work na naman ako ng 10 hours ang yung binigay sa akin, and which is okay. So, sunod na naman na week, I don't know kailan yung schedule ko. So, akala ko din naman kasi guys, yung sahod ko ngayon is dala na yun sa bali 22 hours. Yung sinahod lang sa akin, yun lang yung duty ko noong November 30 and then December 1. Hindi pa binigay sa akin yung sahod ko sa last week, ng nakaraang week. So, I don't know, hindi ko alam yung anong patakaran nila. So, siguro yung last week ni sahod ko is isisend na naman nila next week. And then, this next week ni sahod, isisend naman nila next week. So, I don't know, I'm not sure about that. So, yun guys. Yun yung ko, isi-share sa inyo. Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo kanina. Kanina pa tayo nag-uusap. Charot, nag-uusap. Kanina pa ako nag-evento sa inyo.
We're about to invite her.
No, later na. Sakita sa babae. Nagdagan-dagan ko kay kumukulo na yung sabaw natin. Alam nyo guys, kaya gusto ko ding mag-share ng like bibilhan yung mga pinsan ko or pamangkin ko ng pamangkin ha. So it means anak sila ng pinsan ko ng bags. Kasi before ako, nung dalaga pa ako, hala guys, alam nyo yung kailangan ko pang mag-ipon para bilhin yung gusto ko, or like kailangan ko pang mag-ipon para makabili ng bags or like gamit na para pang dalaga. Nagbukal-bukal na guys. Akong tingnan ko muna kung kung humok na ba. Yan, konti humok. Malambot na konti lang. Kulangan pa to ng 1 oras. Ito guys, yung mga sahog natin guys, gihiwa na nako para ilunod na. Layer game guys. Lagyan na natin ng patis, guys. Wala mo tayo tarong tripod doon. Lagyan natin ng nor cubes. Beef nor cubes. Para mas lalong mayami. Lalong sumarap ang niluto. Malambot na yung karne guys. So, ilagay na natin tong anong tawag dyan? Kalimutan kong tuloy yung tawag nito. Cabbage pala.
Minutes later.
Naghukad na si Waylon ha. May ako ba Waylon kay init kaayo eh. Init. Init, sit down. Anak.
I want chicken. I want chicken. I want sabaw. You feed me. I don't want this one.
Ha?
I don't want this one. I want you feed me.
Pili ako mong kung ano yan. Si Wesley mag-eat ana. Ay, Waylon mag-eat ana. Ikaw eat food ka by yourself.
No, I don't want to eat it in myself. I don't want to eat it in myself.
That's very yummy, Wesley. This one? Always listen lagi. Maura dyan akong gipangayo ni Mo William. Always listen kung unsa akong giingon.
Good.
Good, Wesley? Do you like it?
I like it.
Okay, more. Eat. Yes. You want me to put sabaw? Yay. How was it, Kuya? Yummy? Do you like it?
Rice.
In sabaw?
Yes.
Ganahan ka sa sabaw?
Yeah, I like sabaw.
Lami kayo?
And more sabaw by tour.
Okay. Lami king sabaw, Wes.
Yes, I like it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ano may ingon ninyo kay Mami?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Me.
You're welcome, baby. Look at your face. You look like Iring na.
Ito, atin mo din na alien and enter and bite me.
Oh, i-scratch ka no?
Yes. Auto one
Can you use this one? Like this, Wesley? Oh. Not that one. Okay, baliktad. Look. Like that. Baliktad eh. Anak. Anak. See? Ano daw? Ikaw daw.
Yan yung one.
Hindi, ano ba?
Me?
Sige na. Ikaw daw. Okay, you will learn. How was it, Kuya? Ganahan ra ka?
I'm to put rice and for sabaw.
Okay.
Put in rice and for sabaw.
Put rice and
For sabaw.
kaluoy sa among wilon oy, naning kamot man nag-eat oy.
Looy ko.
Luoy ka nga naman.
Bikan ni bubo.
Ay, luoy day nang nebubo.
Yes, it's gone.
Wala na.
Yay.
Thank you, Lord.
Jingle Lord.
Hello, Lord.
Remember, Mommy? And I'm in Mama house,
Mm.
and then I didn't see Daddy, and you're so far away. I can land faster.
Mm.
See, Mommy?
Yes.
And you're so far away, and that in her house.
Mm-hmm.
See, Mommy?
Yes.
And I can see it. And then I'm in heaven, and I can go inside. And then I read.
And then you behave, huh?
Yeah, I'm being in my dad's house. I don't like this house.
Why man?
I don't like this house.
Why?
Because I want to be your house like daddy. Like a bigger house.
Yes, this is our house.
Then you can run.
Land and land and who in daddy house? No. I'm gonna run outside.
Earlier, he told me.
Remember? I don't want to go in the snow. It's so cold.
Yeah. You okay? William, Wesley told me earlier, like, he doesn't like here because there's no like bike place.
And it's normal glad. It's a normal glad. I can.
There's a lot of grass there. You can ride a bike there if you want. Tomorrow, let's do that.
Fine.
Okay.
Where the houses? Far Raider
We can do that there.
and outside and oh, I don't know how to ride a bike like you. Huh? My mom, DM said you knew how to ride a bike.
Yeah, you know how to ride a bike.
I know how to ride a bike without training wheels since I was 6.
I don't know
Well,
how. I
When I
don't,
was 5.
I don't know how to ride a bike like you, mommy.
It's okay, you will learn because you know you're only 4 years old, so you will learn a lot of things. Like Kuya William, when he was like your age, he doesn't know how to ride a bike.
Yes.
Just like you and Waylon. Waylon will know how to ride a bike.
But they're not. They're so small.
I know, but he will grow up, man. He will like dako like you, and then he will know how to ride a bike. You will know how to learn how to write. You will know how to read. You will know how to poop in the toilet. You know? Because you're growing. You're going to be 5 next year. Oh my goodness. William's going to be 3. Kuya William's going to be 8. Oh my gosh. William.
What?
Where are you? Where's 1-year-old William? Look at that, oh. Big muscle. So big muscle, guys.
Yeah.
But so guapo, of course.
Corn.
Hala, good job man kay na ako ang mga anak, oy. This is what they like, sabaw.
And DM like it.
And Waylon too.
I like
Waylon, taro ay mong tutsara, oy.
I like the corn best.
What? So, kain muna kami, guys. Nakakita pa siya sa kanya.
Spin it one like this and spin it one and lengthen backward and fall.
And then, are you happy?
No.
Let's see.
Are you gonna do that again?
And Dion pin me so hard and me
Did you?
head
Because
and me.
because he kept like flinging around Waylon.
But no hitting to each other, guys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Did you say sorry to each other?
No.
Okay, you say sorry to each other. Huh?
Sorry, Dion.
Sorry, Wesley.
Kuya lagi.
Huh?
Kuya.
Kuya?
Yes. Waylon, don't do that, Waylon. No spinning because we're eating. Come on. Go. Oh. Oh, you got boo-boo because of that? Don't do that again, huh? Don't do that again. Yeah, come here na. Sige na, ala na.
Go in your face.
I think that's chocolate.
Huh? I took okay. I don't like okay.
Love lang each other to your brothers, guys.
I said I don't like.
Mommy, this is
So, yes, guys, kain muna kami. And papaliguan ko sila after this. So, see ya! Pag basig ma-end ko na tong live or ma-end ko na tong vlog or mag-vlog pa ako later after ligo nila. So, bye-bye, daan! Bye-bye, everyone! Bye-bye!